This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the front panel. Then locate the end of the prop into the slot on the bonnet underside. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Unclip the cover from the center console and plug the memory saver device into the diagnostic socket. Slacken the nut and with a twisting motion pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Lift the cover, slacken the nut and pull the positive lead clamp from the terminal. Unclip the hose bracket from the battery tray, then undo the bolt and remove the battery retaining clamp. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's very heavy. Maneuver the battery into place with the negative terminal at the front. Refit the retaining clamp and tighten the bolt securely. Clip the hose bracket to the battery tray. Push the positive lead clamp firmly down onto the battery positive terminal, then tighten the clamp nut. Refit the negative lead clamp and tighten the nut. Smear a little petroleum jelly onto the battery terminals to prevent corrosion. Disconnect the memory saver device from the diagnostic socket and refit the cover. Clip the prop to the front panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it secure.